Alright, so in this video, we're going to try doing a VPN between AWS and Google. I don't have anything in on-prem, so I'm going to use AWS as a platform to run the VPN tunnel. Now, in this video, we're going to run a single tunnel. The next video, we'll try using BGP and multiple tunnels. So, what I've done is I have created an external IP, okay, which is like an IP which is allocated to my account. It's in US Central 1 region. And I'll be using this for my VPN tunnel. So I'm going to just copy this IP from here and I'm going to go to AWS interface. Here I'm going to go to customer gateway and create a customer gateway. So create customer gateway, give it a name. So I'll just say demo for here. I'll put the IP which we have created over there. Okay, and just going to do without certificates for now and just create this. Right, so customer gateway is the endpoint where the tunnel terminates from AWS. So it's a public IP which will be used by the VPN gateway in GCP. Now after this, another thing which I need in AWS end is to get a virtual private gateway. So this is the managed service, and I have one that's already lying, but let's create one more. This demo 2 will put it as. I will have to attach this. Go to actions, attach to VPC. Now this is the VPC where I need to, make sure that my VPN tunnel should terminate, and there should be the VM which I can use later on for pinging or whatever I want to do for connectivity. Now I'm going to put this in my VPC. This VPC has a CIDR block range of 10 series, and AWS end we are going to use demo VPC, sorry, GCP and we are going to use demo VPC, which is a 192 series end. So if you can see, right, so this is the VM over there. Look, attach this. It's so last thing which I want to do right now in AWS is to do a site-to-site VPN connection. Initiate that. Click on create connection. Give it a name. Just put it as again demo. Select the demo 2, which is the gateway, customer gateway we have created. So I'll just select it. We're going to do static routing, right? And prefix. So what will be the IP range which data has to go? So here we are going to use 192.168 0.16 at this end. All right. So I think we are good. The gateway which we selected already has the public IP because we saved it, and that's where it is picked up. And this is the routing rule for traffic to flow. All right, so we are done by setting up the VPN connection. Now I can just refresh, and it should be good enough to see the connection over here. This is the connection, and these are the tunnel details. Now we will do this in GCP. I'm going to go to this option of hybrid connectivity where we have this VPN option. Click on create VPN connection. We'll try the classic VPN first. Let's all just give it a name demo. Okay, network. I'm going to use this GCP demo. Region will be Iowa. IP we have already selected, which is there. Tunnel details. Remote peer IP will be this IP. I'll paste it over here. And pre-shared key I'll get it from the configuration. So I'll have to download it from the configuration, and I will download the generic configuration which is available over here. I just need the key for it. Okay. So I've downloaded IKE version 1, so I'll have to change IKE version 1. I could have downloaded 2 as well. So since I've downloaded 1, I will go with IKE version 1 for now. So this is my pre-shared key. Paste it over here. You have to use route base. So I'm doing static routing in this. So this will be 10 series 10.0.0.0/16 and create. Now we've created the tunnel at both the ends. It's just you have to wait for it to come up. Maybe it'll take a minute or so for it. It took a couple of minutes for it to get started. So here in GCP, you can see it's established. In AWS also, the tunnel is up. All right, so you can see that I'm inside the AWS EC2 instance and pinging the Google machine, and you can ping the other way as well. Right, so both the VMs can ping with each other over the private IP addresses using the tunnel. Thank you so much. Yeah, under the hood, I did routing in AWS. So since this is focused to GCP, I have not shown that. For Google end, routes were created out of the box when I configured the VPN tunnel. Thank you so much for watching the video.